Do you know what happens when we crack our knuckles? Let me explain. Your knuckles are your joints where your fingers meet your hands. They're known as synovial joints because they're surrounded by a capsule that's filled with synovial fluid. When you stretch or bend your fingers to crack your knuckles, the space within the capsule increases. This leads to a decrease in pressure, which causes the formation of gas bubbles. The cracking or popping sound occurs when these gas bubbles collapse or burst. Research has shown that knuckle cracking does not cause arthritis or any long-term damage to your joints. So don't be afraid to crack away.